Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Let us see practice set 3.2 in indices and cube root.
Hello student, at last we are seeing meaning of number when index is a rational number in form of a raised to 1 upon n. That means that is nth root of a. Nth root of a. Now we are studying the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form, that is m upon n. So let's see 1 upon n. The denominator is 1, but here the denominator is any number. Hence, when this form is there, then here is example, that is cube root of 64. That by first method we can write as like this: 64 raised to 1 upon 3. But 64 is the square of 8. Hence we can write that 8 square bracket index 1 upon 3. Then by using rule, that is a raised to m bracket raised to n, then there is the multiplication in between index. Hence, in this example, 8 raised to 2 bracket raised to 1 upon 3. We are making here the multiplication in this 2 index. Hence, 8 raised 2 into 1 upon 3. We multiply this, then we get 8 raised to 2 upon 3. From this, we get two meanings of the number, that 8 raised to 2 upon 3 means the form, that is m upon n. Here is the form. Hence, how we can read this? First method, 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to, we can make this form in using the index rule. So, 8 raised to 2 bracket raised to 1 upon 3. Let's see how we can read that. Cube root of square of 8. That is, this is cube. And cube root of square of 8. Then the next method we can read as like this. In second method, that is 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to, we again use the index rule, that is 8 raised to 1 upon 3 bracket raised to 2. Then here we can read as square of cube root of 8, that is square of cube root of 8. Then second example, 27 raised to 4 upon 5. Then by first method, that is we are taking 4 here and here is 1. Then 27 raised to 4 bracket raised to 1 upon 5. Then first fifth root of 4th power of 27, that is fifth root of 4th power of 27. By next method or second method, 27 raised to 4 upon 5, that 27 raised to 1 upon 5. We are taking first bracket raised to 4. Then 4th power of 5th root of 27. That is 4th power of fifth root of 27. So by these two methods we can write the number and also read the number. Two meaning of number, that is a raised to m upon n. By this first m raised to n, that by using law a raised to m bracket raised to 1 upon n, hence nth root of mth power of a, that is nth root of m power of a. By second a raised to m upon n, then a raised to 1 upon n bracket raised to m, hence mth power of nth root of a. So by using this we are solving the practice set. Practice set 3.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table. Let's see the first example. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Hence, power of the root. In that, cube of square root of 225. Cube of square root of 225. Root of the power, then square root of cube of 225. Square root of cube of 225. Hence in the first, cube of square root of 225, cube of square root of 225. In second, square root of cube of 225, square root of cube of 225. Then in second example, let's see first by this the fourth power of fifth root of 45. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. In next, we are starting from this fifth root of fourth power of 45. That is fifth root of fourth power of 45. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. They are given is in word form. We are converting that in the form of rational indices. Let's see first example. Square root of fifth power of 121. So number is 121 and square root of fifth power, hence 5 upon 2. 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Example number 2. Example number 2. Cube of fourth root of 324. Let's see number 324 bracket cube of fourth root of, hence 3 upon 4, that is cube of fourth root of 324. Then example number 3. fifth root of square of 264. That number 264 bracket 2 upon 5, that is fifth root. Hence, fifth root of square of 264. Then example number 4, cube root of 3, that is number is 3. Then cube of cube, hence 3 upon 3. Cube of cube root of 3. So you complete the practice set number 3.2.